All right, we're back at the 2018 SEMA show. I've got my friend Ryno from Rynobuilt Customs with me. He built this beautiful 64 El Camino. Actually, tell me a little bit about who built the El Camino.
So it's kind of a father-son project. 16-year-old son showed a little bit of interest in cars. I have a shop, Rynobuilt, where I build hot rods and customs. And he's never really shown much interest in cars. And when he turned 16, I was building a 64 C10 for a customer. And he said, I really like that truck. I told him, well, it's gotten so expensive now, the C10 market, I can't really afford to build him one. So he said, what about El Caminos, And I said, yeah, they're cool. And he started looking, and I kind of thought, all right, he's going to lose interest. And he kept persistent on it. And I went and looked at a 67 first, and it was just too far gone. So he got bummed out, and that kind of upset me a little bit that he was showing interest in it, and I couldn't do something about it. So I found this 64 about 2 hours from us and went and got it. He made the deal, and it was last summer, so I kept feeding him parts as he went and kept going, and it kind of evolved into being here at SEMA today.
Well, that's such a cool story, and it's such a familiar story to a lot of people.
Yeah.
Getting in there young, getting that bug, and then you're hooked for life.
Right.
So tell us a little bit about what you did.
So we did a crate GM motor, 290 horsepower, got turbo 350 transmission in it, rebuilt the whole rear end, all new bearings and seals, so we learned all about that kind of stuff. And then we did all the rust repair. So I did all the flake on the dash, and we did the interior.
One of the things I love about this build is the way the red, the gray paint, and the metal flake all come together, and the way that is all incorporated on the interior, all the metal flake as well as the red. And to protect all that interior, you have to have some really good weather stripping.
That's why I went with the best, you guys. I got all that audio gear in there, and I don't want to get rusty floors if anything leaks. So between the window channels, the seals, door seals, it's phenomenal. Zero leaks, everything's great.
Well, I really appreciate that, and turned out beautiful. Check Ryno out. He's got some great builds. Check out Steel Rubber Products and see what we got for your car.
Get yourself sealed with steel.